Alright, trying to contemplate what I wanted to do with my fishing life this morning. If I wanted to go down to Fellsmere. I went out to my local lake yesterday. Really don't want to go back there today. Thought about taking some Torrent outdoor baits, which I got from my FKBT peeps, and testing them and kind of doing a first glance and review on them. But then I was also like, well, let me go check this place and see if I can get in here and see if I can find some more bedding creek fish. They should be probably still be on beds and whatnot. But when I got here, there's a bridge I have to go under, and that bridge replaced an old wooden bridge, and the old wooden bridge posts are typically underwater, and two of them are right now almost 3 foot out or 2 foot out of water. So now I'm kind of worried that I'm gonna get up here, won't be able to fish the stuff that I want to fish because there's a cut I have to go in. We'll see. Keep my eye out for bedding fish, though. This is not the spot I would think they would be in. It's a little bit more slowish here, but there's always a chance. The problem with the water being so low is I feel like most of the fish are going to be kind of pushed to the center, or that's a terrible cast, or not on stuff you would typically think they'd be on. Like, I normally catch fish underneath all this stuff, but if it's only about a foot deep there, they're probably not there anymore. They probably moved on to somewhere else that's a little bit more conducive to them being an ambush predator, where they're not with their backs out of the water. I've been up here when it's this shallow once before, in the middle, not the middle of summer, but beginning of summer. So I'm hoping there's enough room for me to navigate around up in here. This has also been cut open, or cleared for the most part. Hope those ripples up there are... Those are turtles. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Those are either a really big gar or those are bass. Right off the get-go. There's a monster with it. There's probably like a 5-6 pounder with it. Creek fish, baby, creek fish. The big one was trying to get the bigger one was trying to get bigger. Oh. The bigger fish was trying to get the bait out of this one's mouth. They're busting up there like crazy. Oh, same day, hopefully. There's a bed over here. It's gonna be behind us. Big bed right there. Another bed back here. They're busting over there like crazy right now. These Florida creek fish are they're just different, man. Way different. Got part of the sand, go back. All right, beautiful fish, nice and healthy too. So if they're chasing, these guys may be in pre-spawn, they may be post-spawn. That one, I saw one come up with it, try to grab the bait out of its mouth. It was bigger than it was by a good chunk. We'll be able to catch it? I don't know. There's one. It's not big. It's not a bad one. It's not big. fat it is, though. Jesus. Another one. Oh. Something's. Oh, did you get it? Oh, he missed it. He missed it. He missed it. I don't know what it was, but he missed it completely. Whiffed on it twice. Oh, there it is. This is what was chasing it. He chased it all the way to the boat, hit it right here in front. Hit it and ran right at me, little guy. Oh, there he goes. I say there's more than up there, though. I saw at least two. There he is. Another little guy. He just might be piled up in here. Dude, creek fish here in Florida are just built different. Really aggressive. They fight hard. Fun to catch. Oh, just got bit. It's a good one. He's not huge, but he's fighting hard. Stop it. Lay down, girl. Whew. Like I said, not huge, but still good, you know, creek fish. Just blind in one eye, though. Hey. Little guy. He's angry. Oh, all right, quick release. It's a deeper area here. Little guy. All right, another quick release. Fish. Little guy. First one we've had in a while, though. All right. All right. If I remember right, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get past stuff up here. Oh, past stuff up here. As soon as I hit the water, he nailed it. So hungry. A little fat creek fish. Buddy, you can go on that side. Scoot. Giving this a quick look. Evens up out of here a little bit. Little guy? Yeah. Little creek fish. think most of the creek fish up in this area are going to be about this size. Get that out, little guy. So I don't know how deep everything runs here. This looks like a deep hole though. So I'm just going to kind of anchor up right here. And fish this hole. Watch him eat it. All right. Oh, there's a bass. It's a little guy. He's fighting like he's bigger than that though. Yeah, he just hopped off. So they're still kind of cruising around through here. When I first rolled through this spot this morning, I figured, oh yeah, everything's gonna be crazy with bites left and right. And it kind of died as we went further. It's cool that they're still in this area though. Oh, that's a decent fish. We plastered that. Might be hooked in the side though. I think he's foul hooked. He is. That's why he felt so big. It's not a bad fish. Yep, side of the face. Yeah. Look at that mess. We're not taking treble hooks to the finger today. Chunky little dude. All right, I think that's gonna do it. We'll make our way back and out of here and done with it. Not expect what I was expecting. I was hoping to find fish on beds, but plenty of beds. Fish is empty, but you know, probably in this portion of the creek, they're off the beds in that post spawn kind of pattern. Seemed to be like they're willing to chase baits and stuff. So fun day. Caught some fish. Nothing crazy, but I'll take it. We get ready for the next few tournaments coming up to finish off the season, and hopefully, you know, got my fingers crossed that some good stuff will happen. We'll see. Till then, stay safe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.